Dear students, today I am showing you multiple TDS entries in Tally. In this problem, we are having four transactions. First one, a rent on building. Second one, insurance commission. Third, professional charges. Then auditor fees. So we should calculate TDS tax and we have to pay it using payment option finally. So let me start practically in Tally. First of all, I will create a company by name Infotech Limited. Then I am going to set TDS settings using F11. Those statutory taxes. Then S, enable TDS yes, and again yes. Then enter basic details if available. Otherwise, just leave it and press Ctrl A. Then escape. Now we are going to create multiple TDS tax collections. So that is why from masters accounts information, then select statutory information, then TDS nature of payments, then create one by one and using the percentage given in the problem. Suppose for example rent and building, the TDS should be 10%. So we will set 10% here, then 5% the next time, then 10% and 1% another and on auditor charges. We will see one by one. First we will create TDS on rent. The section will be generally 194. See, if you know the section, then enter it, otherwise leave it blank. Then percentage is 10%, then we will save it pressing Ctrl A. Again, TDS on insurance. This is section 194D. The percentage given is 5%. Then press Ctrl A. Third one is TDS on professional charges. This is, comes under the 194I. Percentage is 10%. Set it as 10%, then press Ctrl A. Then audit fee, TDS on audit fee. This comes under 194J. The percentage is 1%. Save it. Here TDS on rent is 10%. Display TDS on audit fee is 1%. TDS on insurance is 5%. TDS on professional charges is 10%. Like this, we have created multiple TDS nature of payment items. Just press escape, press escape, press escape, press escape. Then come to the problem. So TDS settings over. Then these TDS nature of payments also over. Then come to the problem. So see the first transaction here. When we will create paid rent on building 3 lakhs 50,000 by check to Mr. Ishan. Here the ledgers to be created are rent Mr. Ishan, then TDS on rent, then we have to pass it journal after creating ledger. So let me create one by one. Accounting voucher directly we will create it here. Then press F7. By pressing Alt C directly we can create here rent. This comes in direct expense. Then TDS applicable. Then the category nature of payment is TDS on rent will be applicable here. Then press Control A. Then the rent to be paid is 3,50,000. We will type 3,50,000 here. Then to whom we are paying is Mr. Ishan. So again Alt C. So Ishan, generally he will be sundry creditor. Then TDS should be applicable, yes. And he is an individual. Then choose individual. Then press Control A. Automatically it comes like this. Then again on new reference, here new reference, TDS on rent here. Then we will create another head, TDS on rent. It is duties comes under duties and taxes, TDS. Then this is TDS on rent. Then we will press Control A like this. We will pass this journal voucher for the transaction number 1. I will take the print screen here for your reference, and then I will paste here like this. So we have successfully completed transaction number 1. Like this, in the same way, we will create ledgers for second transaction and third, also fourth one. See how to create ledger transactions, how to pass voucher for the transaction number 2. Paid insurance commission. So insurance commission we will create a ledger for the insurance commission from voucher itself by pressing Alt C. Insurance commission is indirect expense. Then TDS applicable. This is TDS on insurance will be applicable here. Then the amount for the insurance is 2,50,000, 2,50,000. Then to whom we are paying is Agent Khanan. Alt C plus Alt C to create Agent Khanan under Creta. Then TDS should be applicable. Then he is an individual. That is why we will choose individual. Then press Control A. Automatically it comes like this. Then then TDS on the insurance commission. So again, pressing Alt C, we will create some ledger here by name TDS on Insurance Commission. TDS on Insurance Commission. This comes under duties and taxes. Then choose TDS. Then TDS on insurance. Then save it automatically. Like this, it will come. Then pass it. Second transaction is over. Then go for third transaction. Here, provisional charges paid to Ravi, Bobby, and TDS should be 10%. Let me create provisional charges. Press Alt C to create ledger for provisional charges. Indirect expense, it comes under indirect expense. Then it should be applicable. TDS and provisional charges will be applicable. Then press Control A. 1,25,000 is the value. Then to whom we are paying is Pavi. Again, Alt C, Pavi. Then choose central creator. Then TDS should be applicable here. Then individual person here. Then press Control A. Again, new reference TDS will be automatically displayed there. You should create separate ledgers for it. TDS on professional charges. TDS on professional charges. This comes under duties and taxes. TDS applicable. Then TDS on professional charges should be chosen as the nature of payment. Then press Control A, pass it like this. Then finally, paid editor fees 1 lakh and the percentage should be 1%. So let me post that voucher also. Editor's fees, we will create editor fee on separate head. This comes under indirect expense. TDS should be applicable. Edit fee, the amount should be 1 lakh as per the problem given. Then to whom we are paying edit fees, editor Hari. Again press Alt C, editor Hari, party or sundry data, you can create it. Then TDS, yes. Then he may be a company. Then choose company. Then like this. Then TDS on it. Then TDS on added fee. Another ledger we have to create by pressing Alt C, editor fee, TDS on duties and taxes, TDS, then added fee. Then it will be like this. Then pass it. See here, all the transactions are over. Then just to check it, display, then statutory reports, TDS reports, 26Q. TDS outstanding will be like this.